In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your fixed deposit account in SBI Net Banking before maturity. To do that, first log into your SBI Net Banking dashboard with your username, password and CAPTCHA. After login, the homepage will look like this. Now go to deposit and investment option. Now click on it. You can see it in the menu bar. Now click on the deposit option. The first option you can see deposit. Now click on fixed deposit. Again it is the first option. Now click on fixed deposit. You will not find the direct withdraw option on the left sidebar. So click on fixed deposit. Now select the fixed deposit option. This is the first option and click on proceed. Here you will see an option called close account prematurely. Now click on this option. Here you can see two fixed deposit accounts. One was opened in 2023 and other was opened in 2024 and the maturity tenure is 10 years. Here you can see the maturity date 2033 and 2034. Now select the fixed deposit account that you want to close. I am selecting the first one. After selecting this, you can see the account number of that fixed deposit account. Now click on proceed. Here you can see the details of that fixed deposit account, deposit date and the maturity date and the interest difference and the penalty and the rate of interest and the total amount that you will get. Here in remarks, you can mention for personal use or for medical expense or for investment, for traveling. You can mention any reason here. Here I am mentioning for personal use. After mentioning the remarks, click on confirm. Now here you can see a pop-up window. Instead of closing your fixed deposit account, it is asking you to take loan, that means overdraft from your fixed deposit account. If you want to do that, select open or loan option here. But right now I want to close the fixed deposit. So I'm selecting close deposit account. Now enter the OTP received to your mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on confirm. Here you can see the fixed deposit account was closed. If you are doing closing of your fixed deposit account after banking hours, then it will be proceed in the next day after 8 AM in the morning. And you can check that amount in the account summary section. Right now I am doing it in the night after banking hours. So the amount will be credited next day in the morning 8 AM. So like this, you can also close your fixed deposit account prematurely through SBI Net Banking. Still, if you have any questions, ask in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to Raj Tech India.